So she frustrated, she now go give the time of day.
I understand, man, but I just threw me upbeat about the thing, man. Yo, Camille, when that get silver at JC, they say. Hey, you know, say if me did that, she get the gold though.
Oh, so me never enough.
Silver not enough. Remember, say if two away the dead, you know, she'd have bring home gold, you know. You understand? Hey, remember, say I'm me and the singer in the family. And me, she get the voice from.
Okay, Mr. Singer. Trevor, you should have did it. And you know I forget to send you the video. But see it here.
Let me see it.
I said the judges, they were so pleased.
Hey, can't put her in a dance, you know.
Yup. She get that from me. Kamisha, show me and daddy something what we can do.
Like what?
Something like, you know, the new dance.
What that name?
Shake it to the max.
Shake it to the max.
Yeah.
I got that.
We'll show you. Well, she gonna show you.
What?
Hold on there. So, when me I go shake?
Your imaginary butt.
All of this. No imaginary butt needed, babe. You just use up your waistline.
Alright, show me.
Alright, so it's
Just that? Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What a baby! What a Trevor!
When I think I know what I go on, I tell the man to idiot.
Next, Kamisha. What all of that for?
Kamisha, that not necessary. Come.
She too extra now?
So come back.
I got it from you. That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Babe, you know what I was thinking? You can paint over back right here, so put back the logo, and you see them palm trees there? We're gonna spread them out. You think we forget like bigger ones, or what do you think?
Yeah, we might can get some newer ones, some fresher looking ones. Yeah.
I agree.
Did I think about that fence though? When I can move it, I'm afraid just change out the get some newer bamboos and
No, not change it out. We can change even the size. We can probably change the size and just do some fresh ones, because I like the natural look where it gives the place. What do you think? If we still got the size here, or make them smaller?
the size of the bamboo not really matter. Bamboo are bamboo. You just want to have the look. Yeah.
Okay, so we in agreement. We just need to freshen up the place. What the projected date you think about?
Well, I think about between now and December. Yeah. And remember, we have the house to furnish. So we need to go furniture shopping. And babe, remember we have a wedding to plan.
Yes, we do. Babe, I have something to ask you. I'm gonna know why you're vexed. I'm gonna know why you know, your feelings about it.
I want to know, Camille.
Can I ask your chair? Come.
It seems like something really serious. You have to tell me all the way up here, son. Talk to me. What's the problem? Camille, talk to me now. You get me nervous, you know.
Alright, babe. Mega talk. But remember me say, I don't know nothing what my wife will feel no way about. Okay?
Alright.
I know the place I do well. Cause we make a big profit last year. And based on how the place I run now, I know we're gonna even make a bigger profit. But babe, we have a house, the wedding for plan, and we're gonna reface the place. What I wanna know is where you get the money from.
Where me get the money from for do what?
For buy the house. Remember, I have access to the funds here. And you tell me say 80% you pay upon the house. So Trevor, be real with me. Where you get the money from?
You know, back in the days, when man a make money, and money a come in, woman no question it. I want know. You not trust me?
That was back in the day, Trevor. Yeah, deal with a modern woman now. Some need for know, say everything up and up. Remember your lifestyle?
I can't forget that. And I can't forget say, me have a daughter. But I sure know say, I'm my own. And I also can't forget say, me have an investigative woman.